Number 1. John divided a rectangle into eighths. What fraction represents each piece? 8/8, B 4/8, C 1/8, D 1/4. Which number line is partitioned into thirds? A, B, C, or D? Which picture shows the figure partitioned into sixths? Adona cut her pizza in half. Then she cut each half into thirds. She ate one of the pieces. How much of the whole pizza did Adona eat? A, half, B, 1/3, C, 1/6, D, 1/8. Number 5. Which picture shows the figure partitioned into fourths? A, B, C, or D? Number 6. Diane is painting a wall in her living room. She has already painted the sections of the wall that are shaded. What fraction of Diane's wall still needs to be painted? A, 2/6, B, 2/4, C, 4/6, D, 4/2, 4/2. Number 7. What fraction of the model is shaded? A, 5/8, B, 3/6, C, 1/2, D, 3/8. Number 8. Donnie's aunt made a cake for him. Donnie ate the shaded part of his cake. What fraction of Donnie's cake still needs to be eaten? A, 1/3, B, 3/4, C, 1/4, D, 3/1. Number 9. What fraction is the distance from Q to R? A, 1/4, B, 2/5, C, 2/4, D, 3/4. Number 10. What fraction on the number line is G? A, 1/3, B, 3/3, C, 3/4, D, 1/4. Number 11. Mrs. Hill was arranging her room after spring break. She wanted half of the room to have desks, 1/6 of the room to have chairs, and 2/6 of the room will have carpet. Which picture represents what the room might look like when she's finished? A, B, C, or D? Number 12. 4 friends ordered a large cookie to share for a snack. The cookie was cut into 6 equal pieces. Each friend eats 1/6 of the cookie. How much of the cookie will be eaten? Number 13. Which statement is true? A, 1 equals 6/1, B, 1 equals 4/5, C, 1 equals 5/6, D, 1 equals 6/6. 14. Which fraction represents the number of thirds in 2 wholes? 1/6, 3/6, or D, 6/3? A, 1/6, B, 2/3, C, 3/6, D, 6/3. Which whole number represents 5/5? A, 25, B, 5, C, 1, D, 0. 16. Which fraction is equivalent to 2/3? A, 4/8, B, 1/2, C, 4/6, D, 1/2. 17. Which shaded area of each of these diagrams can be represented by a fraction? Which statement is correctly comparing these two fractions? A, 1/4 is smaller than 1/6. B, 1/4 equals 1/6. C, 1/6 is smaller than 1/4. D, 1/6 is bigger than 1/4. I hope we are taking our test right now. I really do. Number 18. Which number sentence is true? A, 3/8 is bigger than 3/4. B, 5/6 is smaller than 3/6. C, 1/4 is bigger than 1/8. D, 4/4 is smaller than 1. Number 19. The shaded part of which model represents the fraction that is greater than 4/6? Is A greater than 4/6? Is B greater than 4/6? C or D? And number 20. Keiko and Brianna both made cakes. Keiko made a large cake and cut it into thirds. Keiko ate 1/3. Brianna made a smaller cake and cut it into sixths. Brianna ate 2/6 of her cake. Which statement is true? A, Keiko and Brianna both ate the same amount of cake because they are both ate 1/3 of their cake. B, Keiko ate more cake because she had a larger cake. 1/3 of a larger cake is more than 1/3 of a smaller cake. C, Brianna ate more cake because she ate 2 pieces and Keiko ate 1. D, Brianna ate more cake because 6 are larger than thirds.